baby. Finally got all my stuff in. Well, most of it. I think I have like 2 or 3 things left. And I'm about to start opening this shit.
His PC shit.
PC shit.
He's joining the PC master race.
Hell yeah.
Right now, we're starting with his fucking case, which he probably needs something to open with the tape. Okay, I got my keys.
Fuck that. I'm strong.
Okay, he got it.
Nar. Watch out.
Boy, watch out.
Boy, watch out.
I'm sorry. Don't remember if this is a mid tower or a. I think it was a mid tower.
Oops.
Just bring it upside down.
I opened it upside down. Right, it's so difficult.
Yeah, there you go.
If you don't fucking come out, I'm gonna break you.
It's lit. Upside down.
Take the plastic out. What? Take it out. Ooh, oh shit.
It's still upside down.
I know it's upside down. I'm taking the plastic off. I'll leave that on because I don't want fingerprints on it. At least for now.
Well, it has a back band too.
Oh yeah. Bang! Bang!
That red though.
That shit look pretty. That shit beautiful. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna leave that on there. That's the
acrylic window.
The window. You see the inside whenever we put this bitch together. You can see the lights.
So it look like an inside.
Oh shit. That shit good.
Slide it.
Oh, slide it?
Yeah. And there we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. That's a big ass fan too.
Hell yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, your hard disk drives, where you would put your CD drives and shit, which you don't really need CD drives anymore nowadays. Oh, it has fans in the front too.
Oh, that's fucking lit. I like this right here, how it's like how the fan is like clear.
Mm-hmm.
I just think that's pretty cool.
I think that's the LED one if I'm not mistaken. And it has a spot where you can put your power supply. Down here it has its own little cage with a little vent down there.
Oh, okay. I was about to say like.
And you can hide your cables for the most part, so you don't really see all the fucking cables at the bottom. So it has its own little compartment.
Oh, so the cables for like the other shit will be coming through here, or is this just like?
Yeah, that's the power supply will be inside there, and then the cables will come up.
Okay, cool.
That's the case he chose too.
We live.
Roswell.
Roswell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have those blue fans too. All right, what we got for the next item?
I don't know. Let's fucking find out.
Make sure I don't lose these screws.
All right. Well, this bitch is already kind of open, so. Yeah. Motherfucker. Man, I feel like I'm opening a Christmas present. What's inside the box?
What's in the box?
A whole nother bag. What's in the bag? Oh, damn, the bag already had a hole in it. Easy access.
That's, if I'm not mistaken, that should be the keyboard and the mouse set.
Keyboard and mouse? Lit. I'll open a little one first. Big thing comes in a small package. This shit look way too high tech for my taste.
That mouse is supposed to be white. Well, why would you want a white mouse anyway? Because that would be nasty.
Yo, that shit's pretty lit. Is that like Batman? The bat ring, boy.
I'm really curious if that's LED, but we'll see when we build it.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty lit. And then they have a piece of paper with instructions.
How to plug in a mouse.
How to plug in a mouse.
You just plug in a USB port. Bam. You're done.
And the keyboard. Oops. Damn.
That was supposed to be white too. Why is it coming out black?
Black goes more with it anyway. An instruction manual on how to use a keyboard.
How to get good.
How to get.
Now I'm pretty sure that still should be LED, but we'll see when I plug
keyboard?
it in. But it's a mechanical keyboard.
GCSS. Ah, that's pretty lit though. Nice. I'm down for the ground pound scheme.
Ski.
I don't care. What's in the box? What's this?
What's in another box?
Miscellaneous shit. What's in this box?
That is your power supply. I went with EVGA. This shit is lit.
Man, this shit kind of heavy too.
Pretty sure I think I chose a semi-modular one. I don't remember. I don't know what to say, but
80 plus efficiency. I have no fucking idea what that means.
that's like energy output.
Power supply. 500 W's.
We'll see if it's fully modular or
If it's linear.
semi-modular. Wow, I can't even talk. The screws keep wanting to go away.
Just put them on top. Like this. So they don't roll.
That should be, I don't remember.
I don't care. We're about to open it and find out anyway. Oh, it looks like fire.
MSI X370. It was on sale on Amazon. It was lit.
It's Ryzen. This is great. This is the freaking the motherboard.
Yas.
Yeah. Oh shit, they got the VR booth. No clue what that means, but I know VR is pretty cool. I might get that shit. Be in my room playing fucking Outlast 2 VR mode. I might not open it anymore. ESD sensitive. Don't have a strap.
See, he knows how to work with ESD shit.
Yeah, I've been attacked all my life. Feels like. On to the next one. On to the out.
That is the CPU. It is the 1700 with the LED Spire Wraith cooler. Right
Yeah.
there, that black circle, and it'll be like red in the center.
I wanted to like try to spin it like freaking. Shit, let me
Yeah, good job. That shit would have fell.
I tried to be cool.
Ryzen
the black circle?
1700. Yeah, that's the fan. It's like the LED would be like in the centerpiece right here.
Oh, that's pretty lit. Literally.
It's literally lit. And then we got the graphics card. The RX 480 GTR Black Edition from XFX. Excellent card. Still waiting on Best Buy for the red LED lights, but it's okay. It should be here soon. And it has if you open the box, it has like my RAM stick too.
It's supposed to be an unboxing. So I should.
The box is pretty hard to open. That is a stick of RAM. 8GB stick of RAM. You don't have to worry about that.
And a CD.
This is my Vengeance Corsair. 8GB of RAM.
You mean my vengeance?
It's white, so it may throw off the color scheme a little bit, but it's okay.
What, the LEDs?
Yeah, it's white. But it'll be good for...
This is staying in here.
Yup. Right now it just has the black fans, and when the red LED ones, it's easy to swap out. You just pull two tongs, take out the fan, and then put in the fan. It's easy to do. Mad easy.
Okay. Wait, this
Well, I guess you don't need the fans, but I'll have you keep them anyway if you want them. Some big ass fans.
fat ass fans. I don't know how to put this back in here.
And then he also has his operating system, thumbstick.
What is that, Windows 10?
Yeah, Windows 10.
Bro, I want it with 07. Like, you give
That shit's like non-existent.
it to me.
I'm pretty sure this is. I don't remember what this is.
Open it up. Well, I will open it. One
Yeah,
of the two.
you.
It doesn't matter.
You open it.
Oh, I left some shit out.
You're probably gonna need these.
I don't need that shit. I'm a man. Maybe I do. Fuck
Yeah, that's
this.
reinforced tape.
It looked like reinforced tape.
Fuck.
Oh shit, it's the hard drive.
That is the hard drive.
2 terabyte. Western Digital. 2 terabyte. Western Digital. Dun, 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 dun.
And that is what he has so far. So we will see the build here shortly. It's going to be a work in progress. He also has a SATA cables, black SATA cables for his hard drive, anything else he wants to put in there, for the most part. Ethernet cable, this is a Cat 6 cable, so it's faster. Can hold more speeds. And that is it for now, so are you ready to build this soon?
Hi.
First time PC.
Fuck yeah.
Build.
First time.
First fucking time.
First one.
So I'm gonna teach him how to build it, pretty much starting from scratch.
Starting from scratch, baby.
Yeah. The swiggle, baby, yeah.
Yeah. Like that.
So stand by for that fucking PC build. It's gonna happen. He's gonna learn how to build it as well. And I might do slow-mo, maybe fast motion, I'm not sure, you know, time-lapse, I mean, or something. But it's gonna be an interesting build. This will be my second build that I'm doing for someone, so he gonna learn today. He's pretty lit. He's pretty hyped right now too, I mean. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So stand by for that. Check out ZFG Nation, cool ass people. I've been working with them for a long ass time. Their links will be down below. They are my sponsor and have been a sponsor for like the longest. So check them out. That's pretty much all I have to say. Check out Humble Bundle if you want to get some games. Subscribe to the monthly thing. Use my link down below and support my channel. And if you purchase on there too, you can help me out too. That'll be it for now. Check out the ZFG Nation and our other family members. Their links will be down below too. Other Twitch streamers and the affiliate program of ZFG Nation.
Yeah.
Nerd on.